Okay, let's start our session. Today we are going to start lesson 4 in unit 2. It's about proportional division. Okay. Actually, guys, proportional division is to divide any amount like money, like land, like weight. Okay, all these amounts according to a given ratio. I will start with a very simple example. If I wanted to distribute 108 pounds among 3 persons in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 4, okay? So now, guys, it will be the same steps, okay? First person to the second to the third, okay? So first to second to third, then I have to place the ratio which is given in the question. It's 2 to 3 to 4, okay? Then the sum. Now the sum of the ratio is 2 plus 3 plus 4 means 9, okay? And the total amount of money, or the sum of money which I want to distribute, okay, is 108. Now I can get the share of each one of them, of course, using a cross multiplication. Okay, so now the first will equal cross multiplication. So 2 times 108 divided by 9. 2 times 108 divided by 9. So it will equal 24 pounds. So the first person will get 24 pounds. The second one also, again, using cross multiplication. This is the second one, okay? So it will equal 3 times 108 divided by 9. So it will equal 36 pounds. So this is the share for the second person. The third will equal, again, cross multiplication, 4 times 108 divided by 9. So 4 times 108 divided by 9. So it will equal 48 pounds. Okay, guys? Again, guys, proportional division is to divide any amount, even money or land or weights or whatever like this, according to a given ratio. Here in this question, I want to distribute, okay, this amount of money, which is 108 pounds, among 3 persons with this ratio, 2 to 3 to 4. So first step of solution, I have to place the ratios like this: first to second to third, then 2 to 3 to 4, which are given in the question. Then I will get the sum of the ratio. Sum now, guys, is 2 plus 3 plus 4, okay, which is equal 9. And the amount of money, or the sum of the amount of money, is 108. Then use the cross multiplication to get, okay, each share of them. So the first will equal 2 times 108 divided by 9. The second will equal 3 times 108 divided by 9. And the third will equal 4 times 108 divided by 9. Actually, this one is very easy. So let's solve one more example so that we can understand this point well. Next point, distribute a number of oranges among Sally and Abir and Nihal. Sally, I will write just S, and Nihal, Sally and Abir first. Sally and Abir, which is A, okay, and Nihal, like this. Okay, in the ratio 7 to 4 to 2. So 7 to 4, then 2. If the share of Sally exceeds the share of Abir, now concentrate, guys. The share of Sally, the first one, exceeds the share of Abir. Okay, we said that there are some words. Okay, if I will see it in the question, I have to know that this is a difference, like increase, decrease, more than, less than, exceeds. Okay, bigger than, smaller than. All these expressions means it will be a difference, not sum. Okay, now Sally exceeds Abir, okay, by 18 oranges. So in this case, I have to add one more field, but in this case, it will not be a sum. It will be difference, right? Okay, so I have to add here difference. So now, guys, the difference here between Sally and Abir. Okay, so what is the ratio of Sally? Actually, it's 7. Then what is the share of Abir? It's 4. So the difference 7 minus 4, so 3. And in the question, it's given that, okay, the share of Sally exceeds the share of Abir by 18 oranges. So here 18, the difference is 18. Okay. Now find the share of each one. It's very easy. Now again, using a cross multiplication. So first, guys, I'm going to get the share of Sally. So Sally will equal cross multiplication like this. 7 times 18 divided by 3. So it will equal 42. And don't forget to write the unit. We are distributing oranges. So 42 oranges. Okay, then the share of Abir. Abir will equal, again, use the cross multiplication. 4 times 18 divided by 3. So 4 times 18 divided by 3. So it will equal 24, of course, oranges. Okay, then the last share will be for Nihal. Okay, Nihal will equal cross multiplication. 2 times 18 divided by 3. 2 times 18 divided by 3. So it will equal 12 oranges. Okay, again, guys, again. In this question, distribute a number of oranges among Sally and Abir and Nihal in the ratio of 7 to 4 to 2. So the first step, I just wrote Sally to Abir to Nihal. And then I wrote the ratio, it's a 7 to 4 to 2. Okay. Then if the share of Sally exceeds the share of Abir. Okay. Before we always use some, but in this question, guys, okay, we said before, if there is increase, bigger than, decrease, smaller than, exceeds, bigger, longer than, shorter than. Okay, all these words means I'm going to use the difference, not the sum. So now, guys, the difference here between, okay, if the share of Sally exceeds the share of Abir. So simply, guys, the difference now will be between Sally and Abir. Okay, so I have to add one more field, okay, which is the difference, okay, between Sally and Abir. So now, what is the ratio for Sally? It's 7 to 4. So 7 minus 4 means it will equal 3. So the difference is 3. Okay, and how many oranges will be the difference? Okay, if the share of Sally exceeds the share of Abir by 18 oranges. So I placed here 18. Now use the cross multiplication to get the share of each one of them. Okay, one more example, guys. One more example. There are 980 passengers in a train. If the number of passengers in the first class equals 2 over 3 of the number in second. So first class, 2 over 3 second class. Okay. And the number of passengers in the second class is 5 over 8. Second class, 5 over 8. 5 over 8 of the number of passengers on the third class. So here, third class. Okay. Find the number of passengers in each class. Okay. It will be the same. So first class to second class to third. Okay. So now first to second, it's 2 over 3. So 2, 2, 3. Okay. And nothing related to the third. Okay. Then second, 9 over 8 of the third. So second and third, 9, 2, 8. Nothing mentioned in this ratio about the first. Okay. In this case, guys, I have to write down the field for sum. Then first, I have to make the ratio equivalent, okay? Because each time only two classes, okay, involved in one ratio, okay? So that how can I get the equivalent ratio, guys? Just 1 second. This one is 5 over 8, not 9. Sorry, this one is 5. 5. So this one also is 5. Okay. Now, guys, how can I get the equivalent ratio? It's very easy. I said that the common ratio now it's 3 and 5. Okay. So 3 and 5, I will multiply both. So 3 and 5 means 15. How to get the other two ratios? Just I will multiply 2 times 5. I mean, I will multiply this 5 times 2. Okay, so this one will be 10. And I will multiply 3 times 8. Okay, so this one is 24. Okay, then now add the sum. Sum of the ratio, 10 plus 15, 25. Plus 24 means 49. Okay, this is the sum of the ratio. What about the sum of all passengers in the train? It's 980. So 980. Now I can get the number of passengers on the first class and second class and third class. Okay, so first, guys, the first class will equal, where is first class? This one. Where is the ratio? 10. Then cross multiplication. 10 times 980. 10 times 980 and then divided by 49. So the number of passengers on the first class will equal 200 passengers. Okay, let's continue. We want to get the number of passengers on the second class and the third class. Okay, so I will clear this space on the board. Just 1 second. so that we can write down the remaining answer. Okay, then the next step, I'm going to get the second class passengers. It will equal, also guys, using a cross multiplication. Where is the second? Where is the second class? It's 15, right? So 15 times 980 divided by 49. So 15 times 980 divided by 49. So in this case, it will equal 300 passengers. Okay, the third class, it will equal, what will be the ratio for the third class? Actually, guys, it's 24. Third cross multiplication, 24 times 980 divided by 49. The same steps, nothing different, guys. 24 times 980 divided by 49, so it will equal 480 passengers. Okay, passengers. Now we finished. We got the first class passengers, second and third. Okay? Okay. One more example, guys. One more example. Okay? Three persons shared in a commercial project with a capital of 18,000 pounds. Okay. The first paid 4,000 pounds, the second paid 6,000 pounds, and the third paid the rest. Okay. So the project guys, now the capital means the total amount, okay, of money. They started with 18,000. Okay. The first paid 4,000. Second paid 6,000. And the third paid the rest. Okay. What's the meaning of the third paid the rest? This means, guys, the total amount is 18,000 for this project. Okay, the first paid 4 and the second paid 6. The third paid the rest, means he paid the remaining amount, okay, from this 18,000. So how much did the third paid? He paid 18, okay, thousands minus 4,000 plus 6,000. So this means 18,000, the total amount, minus 4,000 plus 6,000, because he paid the rest. So the third paid 8,000, because the first two persons paid 10,000 and the remaining amount is 8,000 from the capital. So he paid 8,000. Okay, let's continue. At the end of the year, the net profit, guys, in Arabic means arbah, was 1,980 pounds. Calculate the profit for each of them. Okay. Again, same steps, guys, nothing new. So the first person to the second to the third. Okay. Okay. Now first paid 4,000. Second, 6,000. The third, 8. Okay. Now, guys, before we continue, we have to simplify these numbers. Okay, it's thousands. So can we simplify it? Yes, of course. I'm going to divide it by, they are all in thousands. There are 3 zeros in each number. Okay, so that I can divide all these numbers by 1,000. Divided by 1,000. So it will becomes like this. More simple, guys. 4 to 6 to 8. That's it. Now, can I simplify it more? Yes, of course. All these numbers is divisible by 2, so divided by 2. So 2 to 3 to 4. Okay, now what will be the next step, guys? I have to add the sum so that I can continue. Sum of the ratio 2 and 3 and 4. So the sum now is 9. Okay. What will be the amount? Just 1 second, guys. I have to wait until Azan finish. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue. Now I added one more field for the sum. Then what will be the amount of profit? Actually, guys, it's 1,980. So just I will write down 1,980 pounds here. Then I can get the profit for each one of them using a cross multiplication like before. Sorry, guys, I was disconnected. Let's continue. Again, I will write it on the board. So the first person to second to third, then sum. It was 2 to 3 to 4, 2, 2 to 3 to 4, and then the sum was 9, and the amount of profit, it was 1,980. Then we said that we are going to use cross multiplication to get the share of each one. So the first one will equal 2 times 1,980 divided by 9. So the profit for the first person is 440 pounds. Then the second also using a cross multiplication is 3. So 3 times 1,980 and then divided by 9. Okay. So it will equal 660 pounds. Now the last person, which is the third. So third will equal 4 times 1,980 over 9. So 880 pounds. That's it. Now, guys, is it clear? Okay, very good. One more example, guys, one more example. Meher and Saeed and Tamer started a business. So Meher and Said and Tamer. So the ratio will be like this: Maher to Said to Tamer. Okay. Maher paid 6,000. Maher paid 6,000. Said paid 4,500. 4,500. It will be like before. And Tamer paid 7,500. Okay. At the end of the year, their company lost 2,760. Okay. Lost in Arabic, guys, means khasara. Okay. Then find the loss of each of them. Okay, before I add sum or anything, I have to simplify. Okay, so here double zero, and also double zero, then I can divide it by 100 to simplify it. Now it will become 60 to 45 to 75. Okay, also I can simplify it more. I will divide it by 5. So 12 to 9 to 15. Again, I will divide it by 3. So it will become 4 to 3 to 5. Okay, now it's in the simplest form. So I will add the new field, which is the sum. So the sum of the ratio, guys, now 4 plus 3, which is 7. 7 plus 5. So it will equal 12. Okay. Now, what is the total loss? It's 2,760. 2,760 pounds. Now I can get each one of them. Okay. How much did he lost? Okay. So the first one, his name is Maher, I guess. Yes, Maher will equal. Where is Maher? This one, 4 times 2,760 over 12. So Maher lost, okay, 920 pounds. Then the next one, Said. So Said will equal. What is the ratio for Said? 3. So 3 times 2,760 and also over 12. Okay, over 12. So it will equal 690 pounds. Okay. Then the last one is Tamer. Okay, so let me clear the upper part. Okay, on the board so that we can write down Tamer. So Tamer equals, what is Tamer here on the ratio? 5. 5 times 2,760 over 12. So it will equal 1,150 pounds. That's it. Okay, guys. Now it's clear? Okay, great. One more example, guys. One more example so that we can understand it well. The next example, Amir and Ramzi and Omar started a business. Okay. Amir paid 3 over 5. Amir paid 3 over 5. Okay. Of what Ramzi paid. Okay. And Omar paid 3/4. Omar paid 3/4. Okay, of what Amir paid. Okay. At the end of the year, the profit was 25,000. So let's write down the ratio first. 3 persons, Amir, Ramzi, Omar. So Amir to Ramzi to Omar. Okay. Amir paid 3/5 of Ramzi. 3/5, so 3 to 5. And nothing here on Omar. Okay. Then Omar paid 3/4. Omar paid 3/4 of Amir. So 3 to 4. Nothing here. Okay, now guys, again, it's the same like before. I want to make this ratio equivalent. Okay, so where is the common ratio here? It's a 3 and 4, right? Now 3 times 4 means 12. How to get this one? It will be 5 times 4, so 20. Okay, then what about Omar? Okay, 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, now get the sum. Okay, now get the sum of the ratio. It will be 12 plus 20 plus 9, so 41. Okay. The profit, guys, the profit at the end of 1 year, okay, the profit was 25,000. 25,000, the total profit, 25,000. This is the profit. Okay. Amir took 4,500 for management. Okay, Amir worked as a manager in this business. Okay, so he got 4,500. So 4,500 for Amir for his management. So we have to deduct this amount from the total profit because Amir will take 4,500 for management and then the remaining amount we are going to distribute it, right? So the net profit, I will add it here in this part. Net profit will equal 25,000 minus 4,500. So the net profit will equal 20,500. This amount which we are going to distribute because Amir will get 4,500 because he was the manager. Okay, so just we will distribute the remaining amount, which is 20,500. Now get each one profit. Okay, now using a cross multiplication. How to get the first one, which is Amir? Yes, Amir. So Amir will equal 12 times this amount, 12 times 20,500 over 41. So the share of profit for Amir will equal 6,000. 6,000, okay? Then the next share for Ramzi. Okay, so let me clear this part on the board. Okay. Then Ramzi equals 20 times 20,500. Okay, 20 times 20,500 over 41. So it will equal 10 thousandths. So Ramzi's share on the profit, okay, is 10 thousandths. Okay, then the last one is Omar. So now the share for Omar will equal 9 times 20 thousandths, 9 times 20 thousandths, 500 over 41. So it will equal 4,500 pounds, 4,500 pounds. That's it. Okay, now guys, we said that, okay, Amir took 4,500 for the management. This is for Amir, okay? So the total share for Amir will equal, where is the share for Amir? It's 6 thousandths from the profit and 4 thousandths for his management. So total share for Amir will equal 6 thousandths from the profit and 4,500 for his management. So 10,500 pounds. Okay, guys? Okay, very good.